Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on an eye look using this palette, which is the new Hiiii Revolution Rose Gold Mini Rose Gold palette. Now the colours in here, these are my kind of colours. Now I used to be more of a purple girl, I still am, but now I've kind of merged into reds. As you can see, I've kind of gone with the red theme. I love smoky red eyes, sunset looking eyes, just anything red. I just love it now. So this is the Mini Rose Gold, and this is what it looks like. So it's like a purple red palette, and this is like the kind of thing that I go for. So I'm going to create a look today using this palette. I've already prepped my face, my eyes, everything's done, the base, my eyes are prepped and ready to go. So I'm just going to go in with this. They don't have any names, so I'm just going to point to the colour that I'm going to use. I'm going to start off with this colour here. It's like a muted lilac. Any Revolution product, I feel, especially eyeshadows, are like super pigmented. So just that little amount that I just tapped on is so pigmented. So I'm just putting that all over the lid, touching that brow bone and stretching it out. So now I'm going to take this colour here. This is like the darkest red berry in the palette. And I'm going to start from the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it in. I kind of want to put this all over the lid. Alright, let me just get another brush. There we go. Just packing on that red. I'm pushing that into the socket. As you can see, I'm just pushing it in here because that's where I want the colour to be. I want most of the red to be on the lid, just here at the bottom, and then I want it to blend out. So that's when you can brush it back and forth. And then I'm going to go back in with that first colour just to blend like that transition colour back in, just so it appears more smoky and buffed out. Now taking a smaller brush, I'm going to take this colour here, really pack that on. I'm going to try add some depth into this look, so I'm going to add this on the outer corner. I think this might need some layering, but it's just a little bit more, I'd say, muted and darker. More like a dirt brown almost. To add some depth into this eye look. On a smaller brush on the inner corner here. Again, it's like we're making a halo eye. I feel like I make really similar looks, but when you give me a palette with these kind of colours, that's the first kind of thing I think of. Really nice bright in the middle, like darkness on the outer and inner corners, and then on the under eye as well. I'm going to take that dark red again and just gently run it under here, just to give it a slight, you know, red smoke. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this shimmer right at the bottom here. This is more of the darker pink. I'm going to take some of that on my finger. I'm going to put that on the centre of my eyelid and just pat it around to blend it out, because I want the centre of the eyelid to pop. So let's do that. And now I'm going to take the shimmer that's on the top corner here, the lighter one. I'm going to try and add that right in the centre of all that. Just so that I have like two shimmers, but one is darker and one's a little bit lighter, so it adds a little bit of like a Illusion. And then I'm gonna go back in with that like dirt muted purpley brown and just blend out the edges. I'm gonna add some highlighter. This is the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette in gold, and I'm gonna add this one up here to the inner corner and under the arch of my eyebrow. I'm going to use the Superdrug Lash Natural Edition 13s. These are like my favourite, and they're like, what, £4, 12 pence or something. Cheap. While my eyelashes dry, I'm just going to add some Barry M Bold Silver in my waterline. Again, it's my favourite eye pencil because I don't usually like putting black in my waterline, so I put silver. I'm going to add the Lola highlighter in 001 on my cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin, down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to cover up the white parts of the glue on my lash line. Now I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Blush Palette in pinks, and I'm going to take Peony Rose and Flamingo Dance. I'm going to set my face with the Revolution Pro Supreme Hold Setting Spray. I'm going to line my lips with the Gosh, the Ultimate Lip Liner 005 Chestnut. I'm going to line my lips and fill it in. Now I'm going to take the Gosh Velvet Touch Lipstick in 022. This is matte and it's called Orchid. So this is the look. I went with a purple lip because usually I go with like nudes and neutrals. I thought, do you know what? Let me go with a purple-ish eye and a purplish lip, and I think it'll look nice. So yeah, I used the new mini rose gold palette and it's really nice, really cute, really pigmented. All the colours in there are wearable. They are lovely. I do love the packaging as well. Look at that packaging. Of course it's a dupe to the Too Faced, but you know, it's cheaper. It's like what, £6 this was? It's not that bad. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.